recording.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out here trail riding on the Honda Trail 125 in the Arizona desert. Hot desert. This is actually high desert here. It's not like, we don't get near as hot as up north like Tucson and Phoenix. Tucson's way hotter than here, and Phoenix is way hotter than Tucson. But here in this high desert down here south by Sierra Vista, I mean, it don't even really, to me, it don't get that hot. Not nearly as bad. It gets just as hot in Missouri. Only they got that humidity there. Through the deep sand. This thing is not a sand machine. Sun's coming up pretty good. It's getting warm. I don't think it's too bad. Let me see if I can see my watch. Oh, it's 78 degrees. It's nice. It's just the sun is hot here. There's no cow standing out there walking around. One lonely cow. That's all I see from here anyway. Go down there and get us some milk. That would only happen if she had a baby. Had a calf. Well, I think really it's a pretty young calf, really. Oh, there's more. That's what it is. There's a young calf there. Cow there. So she might. Now that calf is weaned. Too big. It's like a yearling. Just a yearling. This probably just goes up here to the power line and turns around. We'll see. Oh, she gets rough. She definitely gets rough. One thing about it, they're not lacking for any rocks here in Arizona. I found plenty of them. Well, it went further than I figured it did. About the time I say that, it'll come to an end. It's not on the map. Uh-oh. I think she come to an end. That will be it. That's it. I found some of these today, but usually there's not as many of them dead end ones here as there was back home, back in Missouri. Well, this is home now. I keep saying home, but it's where I'm from, so. But they cut off everything there. It sucks for riding. There's just no riding in Missouri. Yeah, you go to Chadwick State Park, that's it. There ain't nothing there. That place is Missouri's a joke for off-road enthusiasts. And once you come to a place like this, you realize what a joke it is. Because this is nice. I see a road up on that mountain. How you get to it, who knows? What's that, Charo? You don't want to run off the trail here into those stickers. That'd be rough. Chola. I believe that's what it was. I said Charo. Chola. Well, Trail 125 will go. It has its limits on as far as hill climbing. The steepness, it does have limits there, but it actually is a good little off-road rig. You just, as long as you know its limits and know it's not an off-road beast or nothing, it's just fun to ride. But it definitely has limits. But it's safe. Safe and fun, that's the main thing. A lot of fun factor built into this bike. No doubt about it. Mesquite everywhere here. I'd never seen mesquite until I moved out here. There's mesquite, it's all over the place. Mostly what you see is mesquite, even these little ones, mesquite. And then they get big. There's some of them that's big mesquite trees. It's called honey mesquite. But it's got stickers on it too. Thorns. In Missouri, all we had was oaks, and a lot of oaks and a lot of hickory and walnut and stuff like that. Here, there's a lot of mesquite. There is oaks here. There's quite a few oaks. We get over toward the mountains, and then there's pines, of course. There is a lot of different kinds over toward the mountains, different kinds of oaks. Uh-oh, there's a big old red cow. Probably thinks I'm trying to freak her out or scare her. There's a black one over there. I don't want to tangle with you. Somebody's got him a little corral here. Built it out of that sucker rod, looks like. Here's where the cows are. They'll end up here in the shade of the mesquites. They ain't dumb. That's what I was saying about that shade. It feels good. It really does. It'd be hot out here. That sun's burning down. You get on one of those little shade trees, and it's incredible the difference. It feels like it's just a whole different area. Well, I'll be heading back to the house before it gets too hot. I don't mind a little heat anyway. As long as I'm moving like this, ain't bad. If you stop and sit in the sun, it gets hot. But as long as you're moving, it feels pretty good. A little breeze. And like this jersey here, it lets the air through pretty good. Seen something back there, trying to see what it was. Oh, it's a plastic thing where tools came in. No tools. I'd rather have tools. I want that plastic. People lose all kinds of stuff out here. Lose it or just throw it out intentionally, one or the other. I am back to the highway here. Sure enough. Yep. Highway. I thought I seen a car go by out of the corner of my eye. Cattle guard. No gate. That's cool. I like that no gate stuff. There goes the old Dodge. Okay guys, gonna end this video here. Get off of here. Watch out for this Jeep. Thank you all for watching. Appreciate every one of you. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. Please comment. And we'll catch y'all on the next video. Right on.